Hello, friends. Especially in the summer months, ants can multiply around the plants and thus interfere with their normal growth. If you are fighting your plants, the first thing to do is remove the ants. Today, we are talking about a completely natural remedy that will be drive away ant from your vegetable garden. Friends, to be the first to see each new video, subscribe to the channel if you are here new and it is totally free. Okay, now start the video. If ants make an anthill near a plant, that plant no longer grows and decay. The reason is very simple. In the place where they settle, they increase the acidity of the soil and this negatively affects the plants. The most effective solution to get rid of these small animals is corn flour. Sprinkle it around your plants and the ants will take it back to their anthill and eat it, but they can't digest it. Corn flour is not dangerous for children and pets either. Ants don't like spices like cinnamon, chili powder, ground coffee, dried mint, or cloves. Just purify them around you plant and it will prevent ants from approaching. Friends, I hope this video was very useful to you. Share it to your family members and others on other social network. Thank you for watching it.